Mastering manufacturing process analysis. Operational excellence ignites efficiency, turbocharges productivity, and demands flawless quality. What are the primary objectives that its implementation aims to achieve, and what specific benefits does operational excellence seek to bring to our manufacturing process in terms of efficiency, productivity, and quality? Operational excellence is a philosophy that aims to achieve excellence in manufacturing operations by maximizing efficiency, productivity, and quality while minimizing waste, variability, and defects. The primary objectives of operational excellence are to create a highly efficient and effective manufacturing process that consistently delivers high-quality products, meets customer requirements, and exceeds industry benchmarks. The implementation of operational excellence seeks to achieve several key objectives. Firstly, it aims to improve efficiency by streamlining processes, eliminating waste, and optimizing resource utilization. This is achieved through the application of tools such as lean principles, value stream mapping, and process re-engineering. By reducing waste, manufacturers can minimize the consumption of resources, reduce costs, and enhance overall productivity. Secondly, operational excellence seeks to enhance productivity by optimizing equipment performance, improving workflow, and reducing downtime. This is achieved through the application of techniques such as total productive maintenance, TPM, overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, and autonomous maintenance. By improving equipment performance and reducing downtime, manufacturers can increase production capacity, reduce lead times, and improve delivery performance. Thirdly, operational excellence aims to improve quality by reducing defects, variability, and contamination. This is achieved through the application of techniques such as statistical process control, SPC, failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and quality function deployment, QFD. By reducing defects and variability, manufacturers can improve customer satisfaction, reduce warranty claims, and enhance brand reputation. In addition to these objectives, operational excellence also seeks to enhance customer satisfaction, improve supply chain performance, and reduce environmental impact. By improving delivery performance, responsiveness, and reliability, manufacturers can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. By improving supply chain performance, manufacturers can reduce inventory levels, improve inventory turns, and enhance supply chain resilience. By reducing environmental impact, manufacturers can minimize waste, reduce energy consumption, and enhance sustainability. The implementation of operational excellence brings several specific benefits to the manufacturing process. Firstly, it improves efficiency by reducing waste, minimizing variability, and optimizing resource utilization. This leads to cost savings, improved productivity, and enhanced competitiveness. Secondly, operational excellence improves productivity by optimizing equipment performance, improving workflow, and reducing downtime. This leads to increased production capacity, reduced lead times, and improved delivery performance. Thirdly, operational excellence improves quality by reducing defects, variability, and contamination. This leads to improved customer satisfaction, reduced warranty claims, and enhanced brand reputation. Furthermore, operational excellence improves customer satisfaction by enhancing delivery performance, responsiveness, and reliability. It also improves supply chain performance by reducing inventory levels, improving inventory turns, and enhancing supply chain resilience. Finally, it reduces environmental impact by minimizing waste, reducing energy consumption, and enhancing sustainability. In terms of specific metrics, operational excellence aims to achieve significant improvements in key performance indicators, KPIs, such as cycle time reduction, lead time reduction, inventory reduction, defect rate reduction, customer satisfaction improvement, supply chain performance improvement, environmental impact reduction. To achieve operational excellence, manufacturers must adopt a holistic approach that involves the entire organization. This includes developing a clear vision and strategy for operational excellence, establishing a culture of continuous improvement, providing training and development programs for employees, implementing lean principles and tools, optimizing equipment performance and workflow, improving quality and reducing defects. enhancing customer satisfaction and supply chain performance. Reducing environmental impact. By adopting a holistic approach to operational excellence, manufacturers can create a highly efficient, effective, and sustainable manufacturing process that consistently delivers high-quality products, meets customer requirements, and exceeds industry benchmarks.